In today's video, we are going to show you how to upload files to pCloud using either the web version or the desktop app. It's quick, simple, and works the same way for documents, photos, and videos. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is log in using your credentials. If you are using the pCloud web version, I want you to click the Go to My Account. What will happen is you will be forwarded to your file manager. I have a specific folder that I wanted to use so that I can upload all the files that I wanted. So you have two options here. Number one is upload the folder from your computer. For example, I have this already, and click the upload. Now it will upload 4 files to this specific folder. You will see the status here. And at this point, you want to make sure that you are not using a VPN or proxy because that could interfere with the uploading times. And once it's successful, you would easily notice that the files has been uploaded with a notification and it will appear in this folder. All right. So it takes a little while because it depends really on the file size. Now, while waiting, you can also click the Add button here on the top corner. It's similar to the process earlier. All I have to do is select the folder and select the files here. Now I'm going to go back and I'm going to create a new folder. Create a new folder. For example, we are going to rename it as Answer ASAP. I'm going to create a new one and then click the folder. Now, what I'm going to do this time is to drag and drop the file instead of selecting from a folder. Okay, so here, I'm going to simply drag and drop the files. And remember earlier, the status, once it's successful, will be shown here. Now, I'm going to show you how to do it on the pCloud app. All I have to do is super simple. Go to the upload section right here. And it's similar to the option earlier. You can simply click the browse and drop your files or add your folders, which is going to be this folder. Select that and all of the information from this folder will be uploaded here. It's super simple. Or again, similar to the option earlier, what you can do is drag the files that you wanted here in this folder. All right. Right now it's uploading, so I can't drag and drop, but basically that's it for today's video on how to upload files to pCloud. It's not limited to videos, photos, all the files can be uploaded. All right, thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.